Hey everybody, today we're going to be making a type of salad called fattoush. It's super simple to make and it's really refreshing. So it's very nice in the hot summer we have right now. Or at least for us here in California, it's a very hot summer. So first you're going to start off with a couple of ingredients. Tomatoes, cucumber, green onion, and parsley. And you're going to try to cut that up into cubes as much as you can. And yeah, it's super simple. And I love fattoush because it reminds me of my childhood. It's very nostalgic. Although I believe it's a Lebanese Middle Eastern dish. So yeah, I guess we made it a lot in Jordan though. So yeah, peel your cucumbers before you chop them up. Yeah, just cut it down in half and then make it into cubes. Yeah, so I guess this is for you if you don't know how to cut things, because I don't know how to cut them. So if you guys already know how to chop up your vegetables, you can honestly skip around a little bit to maybe 1:45 in the video. But yeah, if you want to learn how to chop, then watch this part. And my mom is a pharmacist, so she likes to make sure that everything we put into our bodies is actually useful and that we stay very healthy. So we always look for dishes that are both, pretty yummy and actually nutritious, and fattoush is definitely one of them. And next we're going to move on to making our bread. So we have a really great video for this pita bread in the upper right hand corner. You can click on it and watch that first. If not, if you already have your own bread that you want to use, just use scissors to once again just chop it up into nice cubes. And we're doing this so that it can get all nice and crunchy in the oven because no one likes soggy bread in their fattoush. So yeah, just finish chopping that all up, and then you're just going to lay it as flat and as you can. It doesn't have to be perfect. Obviously, if you want it to be more crunchy, you can lay them individually. If you want them to be still a little soft, you could put them on top of each other. Yeah, just whatever you guys want. Then you're gonna mix all of the ingredients you had chopped up with some salt and some lemon juice and some olive oil into a bowl. And you're just going to mix that around before adding in all of the dry pita bread that you just made in the oven. So yeah, just mix that up. And then add the bread. Yeah, usually add this last or like right before you're about to serve because you really don't want it to be soggy because, eventually there's a lot of moisture, so what's gonna happen? Anyways, we hope you enjoy this dish and that it keeps you cool on a summer day. Happy fattoushing, bye!